Hey guys, welcome to the How To channel. In this tutorial, I'll guide you through how you can get WhatsApp Meta AI. WhatsApp Meta AI is a powerful tool that can revolutionize how you communicate and interact on the platform. So here's how you can get WhatsApp Meta AI. Go to the App Store or Play Store, depending on the device that you have. In the search bar, write WhatsApp and click on Done. Now click on WhatsApp and make sure that your app is updated. If there's any update button, click on it in order to update it. And once you have updated your WhatsApp, go back to your WhatsApp. Now, after update, you can see on the top we have this Ask Meta AI available on WhatsApp. Click on search bar and click on continue. Now, here you have to agree with the terms and conditions of Meta AI. With Meta AI enabled, now you can access a range of intelligent features and capabilities within the WhatsApp app. Explore these options and start utilizing Meta AI to enhance your messaging experience. And that's all for today's video. Thanks for watching and please don't forget to subscribe the How To channel.